Let's see what's in store for the gas cap. Well, definitely dirty after 12 years. Here's the fuel filter alongside the fuel pump underneath the car on the rear right hand side. So we're going to remove and replace this filter, and that of course will need to drain the pump, to drain the filter and the pump beforehand. Absolute cleanliness is essential when working with the fuel system. Any small particle of dirt can cause trouble if it reaches the injector. Here is my new and clean Bosch fuel filter for the fuel system, which comes sealed with a cap on either end. It is time to get under the car to the fuel reservoir and the fuel filter. Now we're going to take the fuel filter off. We're going to drain whatever might be in the reservoir, and we're going to attempt to drain whatever fuel is in the lines, because all of it is 12 years old, and show you what comes out. Pump out whatever is left in the tank by hand, and that way I don't have to use the electric pump, the transfer pump or the main pump to gather any of the of those particular fluids, and I have the new filter and the new fuel filter in place, so I didn't want to pass any of those dirty fluids through the system. I'm going to start pumping, siphoning away. See what comes out. This is the 12-year-old fuel that came out of the tank when I siphoned it, and here I'm going to add and show you what new fuel looks like. Hard to do with only one hand. So, new gasoline, 12-year-old gasoline sitting in the tank. What a mess. Ooh, can't get my finger in there. Look at that. You would never want to run that through your engine. Ooh. 12 years old. And here's what I got after wiping around the inside of the neck. Again, some pre-cleaning is useful, because there is not a cleaner that would just wash this away. I decided that it's worth taking out the main pump to see what it looks like. So maybe I'm going to need to disconnect that from the fuel to get it out. That's from the filter. Let's see. Here we go. Main pump. A little dirty on the outside edges, and definitely crusty there. Here's the main pump having been removed. I'm quite sure that that's not going to run either. It's very gunged up in there. I will soak it in some fresh fuel, maybe even some carb cleaner, and see if that cleans that, and try to get that operational so I don't have to buy a new one. Now I'm going to add the fuel octane booster and the fuel system cleaner. My fuel tank is 15 gallons, 14 and a half I think, and I've got the MotorPower Care booster and fuel system cleaner here with these handy nozzles, and in one moment I'll be pouring them in.
going to go for a drive.